Okay, so today is March the 11th, 2011, and we're in Lowbanks, Ontario, and the weather has really taken a turn for the worse. As you can see, snow everywhere, and on a drive today from Hamilton to Dunnville, as you were driving from Hamilton into Dunnville, there was no snow on the ground, just snow coming down lightly. But as soon as we got into Dunnville and started to drive towards Lake Erie, all of a sudden there's at least a couple of inches, 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 centimeters on the ground, and of course all the roads are in horrible shape. So right here it kind of looks like a winter wonderland, and even the signs are getting fast covered with the moist snow. Temperature is 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 Celsius. So we're getting all snow next to Lake Erie, and even using weatherbug.ca, you could see an area from Hamilton to Dunnville that was pinpointed for rain, whereas anywhere else outside of that boundary line between Hamilton and Dunnville, they were pinpointing snow and or freezing rain, and we sure have it right here. On the web it says that all schools in Oxford are closed, Oxford County, and I think it may be spreading a bit more as more ice and freezing rain comes down, possibly in Brant, possibly Norfolk, and we'll see what happens to Haldeman in Niagara region. There's some blue ice over there that looks kind of attractive, pieces, chunks of ice, and the breakwater rocks of Lowbanks, white snow.